Ready to draw a baby dragon?
It might look tricky, but trust me, you don't need any more shapes than the ones you see up there. Stick with me in this video, and with your effort and your natural talent, we'll make it happen. First, a rectangle. Nice and big. That'll be the body. Like mine, it doesn't have to be perfect. At the bottom of the rectangle, we draw a semicircle, like this. That's what's left from the egg when it cracked. Kinda like its diaper. With a few triangles like this, we show how the egg broke. Now we do the same at the top. A semicircle and some triangles to mark where it cracked. That's the other half of the eggshell. Now it's a helmet. Let's erase the extra lines, clean it up a bit, and see how it looks. Now, we'll draw a big circle here, halfway inside the rectangle. That'll be the snout. Inside, we can put 2 little circles for the nostrils, and then we go around them with a semicircle to finish the nose. Let's erase the extra lines, like this. And now, between the helmet and the nose, we draw the eyes, 2 circles, and underneath, a happy mouth. We've got a face. If we want to make it stand up straight, we'll need 2 small rectangles for the legs, here and here, erasing anything that goes into the shell. And on the body, for the arms, we'll draw 2 rectangles, but with a circle at the end. Half of the circle inside the rectangle will be the hands, to hang on. We erase the extra construction lines. And now we've got a character, but it could still be anyone.
It's a hippopotamus!
Aha! Yes, why not? So let's add some more details to have our baby dragon. A few lines here and here. 1, 2, 3 claws, like a fearsome.
It's a cat!
A cat? How could it be a cat? Look at his mouth now. A tiny circle. He's surprised. See? You can play with his expressions in your drawings. Let's add more details so there's no doubt he's a dragon. With a triangle here and a few lines to connect it to the back, we've got a tail. No doubt now that it's a
It's a lizard!
Nope. I draw a zigzag mouth. Our friend is puzzled. And what if we add some scales on the back? 1, 2, 3, 4 semicircles. Aha!
It's a crocodile!
The little dragon is getting a bit grumpy. Look at his mouth. An upside-down moon. And this eye. Don't worry, little guy. There's a trick with Beggy's characters that never fails. Little marks hidden in the shell. You can draw a letter using the cracks. Like this with a semicircle, we make a D. D for...
Dinosaur!
Come on, kids, help me with that. Now he's really upset. What is missing? I know, big horns, like a crescent moon cut in half. Like this. And like this. Now there's no doubt. It's a
cow!
A cow? Are you kidding me? The little dragon can't believe it. Look at his face, full of spiral. And now his mouth drops open. I'll draw his tongue while I'm at it. A thick line ending in a V. And before he bites my hand off, let me tell you, it's not a snake. And to make it absolutely clear so everyone knows your drawing is a dragon, we'll draw a triangle here and then add 2 little circles like that. Now we erase the extra lines and look at these magnificent wings. Soon he'll be flying. Even Mom and Dad will have to admit,
That's a dragon.
Sure, that's a dragon.
let's draw a big open mouth with a half-moon shape. Look how happy our friend is now. With a tiny triangle, we can draw his first tooth. And now, the final touch. With 2 little white circles, we can show how his eyes are shining. Well done! All that's left is to color him in. Like this, or like that, or you choose. Now that you know how to draw a baby dragon, there is no limit to draw and paint your own. Did you know this little dragon's name is Hippouf? He goes on adventures in the story Hippouf and the Rainbow Crystal. You can look for the book on YouTube and discover all his shapes and expressions. If you love drawing, I'll see you in the next video. We'll create a new friend together. See you soon!